Hey guys, so I'm back. We're going to review the Ninjago Legacy, the Nindroids. So let's go and unbox this. Alright, I just got done building these sets, and let's take a look at Golden Zane. Yes, this is a special Golden Zane, and take off his mask. He has the same from the movie. It's got right here. This one's a golden mask with a white headband, and the Golden Zane is really cool. There's actually a golden Kai actually. He's got these golden shurikens. This is the same suit from season 3. Alright, now let's check out the original Nindroid. Yes, this is the Nindroid from season 3, and I think it's the same thing from... I don't usually like Ninjago from season 3 in 2014 until I started liking it in 2017. And this Nindroid right here, he's got the shuriken and the ninja mask. Let's see if I can... This is what he looks like. He's got the dot line, not line but dots. And he's got the whole robotic thing and the arm, except his torso and the arms. So that's the regular Nindroid. Next up we have the mini droid, which I didn't expect we'd get in the mini droid. I think this one's a jetpack for him. And he's got the red katana. Same thing, except he's shorter and he has got shorter legs. You already know the mini droid. And next up you have the awesome jetpack. It comes with these swords, and this Nindroid never had a mask. So... And next up, finally, we have this. And I think you can place a Nindroid in here, just for fun. And hold on, let me just try to... Oh, sorry. Well, yeah, you could place a Nindroid in here. Yeah, I think this is for this Nindroid that I showed you for the first time. See if I can just... Oh. Okay. I'm not gonna get aggravated, but... Alright. Stay tuned for Wood Percy and Wood Nia.